Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use my Telegram store bot to sell any digital product automatically with crypto payments. This is my bot, which I made just 2 days ago. Here's how it works when you start. The bot will welcome you. You can type a command to see the list of categories available in the store. In the category, just type the number, like 1, 2, or 3, and it will show you what we have in the store. It shows all the products along with their prices. And there's a buy button generated automatically. When you click the button, it creates a crypto payment link. Once the payment is confirmed, the bot automatically sends the product to the buyer. You can see there's a 0 here and 0 here. Now, let's go back to the bot. I want to show you how the 0 works. For example, let's choose a category from what we have. Let me go with 1, which is RDP. When you click on RDP, see what it shows you. Sorry, it's out of stock, because the value is set to 0. So to run your bot, once you change the necessary things you need to change, it's very easy. That's how easy it is to run your bot. If you want to get this bot or learn more, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.